We have Cynful Tortilla Soup tonight. We're going to start out by adding some salt to a pot of water, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, poultry seasoning, and chili powder. And some of those dried minced onions. Toss that chicken in there. We're going to bring it to a boil and boil it covered until it starts to fall apart. We're going to pull the carcass out and then strain the broth. Get all that extra bone and stuff out of there, so all we have is broth. We're going to put the broth back in the pot, stick it back on the hot heat. And add our tomatoes, basically everything else except for the chips, the cheese, and the sour cream. So everything else on the recipe list. There goes the picante sauce. Oh, and the cilantro. Now that's optional. If you don't like cilantro, don't put it in there. We're going to shred that chicken up and then add it back to the pot after it's been simmering for about 30 minutes or so. Now we're tasting it for flavor there. And that's all there is to it. It's done. Add those chips to the bottom. Throw some cheese on top, some sour cream. And that's it. I have a link to a printable recipe in the video description. But here, take a look at it anyway. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for our first soup of the season. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.